As a person in maintenance, you're probably looking for ways to improve reliability and reduce failures. As your Crane Engineering account manager, I specialize in helping my customers do just that. Hi, my name is Rick Ogle. I'm your account manager coming to you from Ashland, Wisconsin. As a customer of Crane Engineering, you'll not only have access to my 12 plus years of fluid handling experience, but an entire team that supports our efforts. Your support team includes a new equipment application engineer to help size and select pumps, mechanical seals, filters, or mixers. Call one of our valve application engineers to help choose the perfect valve for the most challenging applications. A Service Inside salesperson can help answer quick troubleshooting questions and help you schedule regular maintenance or repairs at your facility or our factory authorized service center. Our parts department provides fast quotes on spare parts and can help you identify exactly what you need. A customer service representative is available to you for questions on order status, invoicing, and expediting orders when necessary. Last, an inside salesperson for fast quotes on pumps, valves, filters, and other fluid processing equipment. Myself and an entire Crane Engineering team is available whenever you need us. So if you're challenged with improving reliability in your facility, feel free to give me a call at 715-409-0265 or email me at r.ogle@craneengineering.net. As a thank you for watching this video, be sure to go to craneengineering.net/team and accept your free gift. Looking forward to working with you and hope to see you soon. Thank you.